Hi, today I want to show you a small device that everyone should have at home. This is a battery tester. It's a really small and cheap device, but it can be useful to check if the battery that you want to use is a good one or is a discharged one. So I've prepared few batteries right here because you can use this device with many types of batteries, all of the most popular ones. So for example, let's see this classic battery, 1.62 volts right now, so this battery is fully charged. I know that I can use it safely for my device. Let's check this another battery. I just plug it in right here, 1.63, so this one is even more charged. Let's see this rechargeable battery. It should have a lower voltage, 1.30. The rechargeable batteries have a lower maximum voltage, and this one is probably discharged in some level because I think it should have more voltage than 1.3, more like 1.38 probably. So I know that this battery is not fully charged, but also not fully discharged. And also, for example, you have a 9-volt battery. Right on the bottom, you can just press it, 8.81 volts. It's not fully charged. And also you can add the bottom batteries check, the small ones. Here on the bottom, you just put it right here, 3.33 volts. So this one is probably fully charged. And in few seconds, you can charge any battery and you know that the battery is good or not. And I really recommend that everyone should have a device like this to check batteries because sometimes you don't know if the device is not working or the batteries are not working. And with this small cheap device, you can in few seconds just check it that the battery is good or not. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.